Does your home need chimney repair or rebuilding? If you notice any cracks, loose bricks, or other signs of damage, this could indicate that there are more serious issues going on inside the structure that need to be addressed immediately. Chimney repair can range from a simple cleaning to full-blown reconstruction of the chimney. The first step is to find out what needs to be done with the chimney and how much it will cost, and for that you'll need a qualified contractor. When you call All Point Construction, a contractor will come and inspect your chimney and provide an estimate for repairs. Call All Point Construction today at 734-407-7110.